after the first layer. So this is layer 1. A few more to go. And I covered some of the exposed gel coat that I found out after sanding, also with some of this epoxy primer. So just to protect the gel coat.
Alright, film it from behind is what I'm saying.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so the job is pretty much done. I had 3 coats of Seahawk bottom paint. Right now it's just blotting top sides. So the boat is ready to be trailered back to Ablative Yacht Club, where we're going to work on staying the mast and then launching the boat in the water. So let's just get up close and just show what kind of job. Alright, so and this is going to be a new chapter for this boat, hopefully. And it's going to sail far and wide. Great.
I think Rachel grabbed into the rope so we can go on in here. Gotta grab it back.
You having a good time?
So the boat is in the water. The mast has not stayed yet, so it's not up. But the next step is we're going to use that crane over there and step the mast. And then I will be doing some tuning up, maybe not today, of the rigging. And the next step, well, we'll connect everything, the sails, the boom, and we'll sail the boat. Well, so the boat is finally in the sleep. You see the mast is up. I had a sleep assigned here at the club. Right next to that are 2 Cal 20s, which are club Cal 20s. So next time around I'll connect the boom and we'll test the sails, couple other projects I'll do on the boat, but we'll definitely at some point we'll go out and take it for a sail and kind of go from there. So it was a nice day. So the boat was splashed in the water, the mast was stayed, and the boat is in the sleep. So it's a nice day.